Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video, I am going to give a brief overview about the famous case Vijay Trolia versus Durga Trading Corporation, and it is one of the recent judgments, and this relates to the arbitration laws. So now I am just going to start this video. So the case of Vijay Trolia versus Durga Trading Corporation involves a dispute between Vijay Trolia, the appellant, and Durga Trading Company, the respondent. The dispute in this case arises from a contract entered into between the parties for the sale of goods. Durga Trading Corporation failed to make the payment for the goods as per the terms of the contract, leading to the legal battle. The appellant in this case, who is Vijay Trolia, filed a suit in an appropriate court seeking recovery of the unpaid amount. In this case, the trial court initially ruled in favor of the appellant and awarded him on the amount claimed. Dissatisfied with the decision, Durga Trading Corporation filed an appeal in the higher court. In this case, the appellate court reviewed the case and examined the evidence and legal arguments represented by both the parties. The court considered the terms of the contract and whether Durga Trading Corporation has breached its obligation. The court also examined any possible defenses raised by the respondent, such as defective goods or non-performance by the appellant. So, in this case, the court analyzed relevant legal principle and precedents to arrive at a fair and just decision. The appellant court either upheld, modified, or overturned the decision of the trial court based on its findings. The judgment may have addressed issues of liability, damages, or any other relief sought by the parties. In this case, the decision of the appellate court is basically the legally binding and enforceable unless challenged further in the High Court. The case may have had implications on the contract law and the interpretation of contractual obligations. The Vijay Trolia versus Durga Trading Corporation case exemplifies the legal process involved in resolving disputes arising from contractual agreements and the role of appellate courts in reviewing the lower court's decision. So if you guys have any doubt regarding this case, you can just ping me in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and have a nice day.